Got some debris.
2 more bags? 2 more bags.
Yeah, make it way easier. I know it's heavy.
I'm sorry guys, the bag.
You're good, man. Fudge it. Every time I do these type of jobs, I forget my back brace.
Yeah, these are the ones that need it. Wheelbarrow's with a buckle.
Yeah, set it down. Ugh.
I was about to say, I didn't know if you wanted to dump that.
You got it.
At least you guys got it somewhat clean. Just to see when we took it out. Bad. It was rough. Pretty gnar.
It smelled the entire house up.
Oh gosh. Ready?
2, 3.
Here, I'll hold it.
Look good?
Yeah.
3. Flip. Just jump. And just stack it on top.
Yeah. So they stopped all the traffic instead of just going down a little bit farther and making a quick turn.
I got it. Now we can get it.
Now we can. Ready? 1,
2, 3. Just for some context in this video, we got this job from a plumber. So basically he was doing a renovation and he needed this junk gone. Same day, he called me and my boy Dylan, we showed up and we knocked the job out. And as you can see, it took us less than 30 minutes to do this entire job. Now, if I was by myself, this job would have probably took me about an hour to do. So thank you, Dylan. Yeah, you got it? These people look pissed.
There's nowhere for me to go.
All right, push. Just throw it. 1, 2, 3. I know. It's not your fault. I'm just saying their body language.
Man, literally nowhere for me to go.
Yeah. Especially that one guy on the motorcycle. Yeah, it's buried. Yeah, it's buried. Okay.
I just want to make sure.
All right. You ready?
Yeah, come to this corner. We'll go this way.
I can't. I'm getting kind of blocked. Hold on. Let me step over. Ready?
1, 2.
Just push.
Okay, plane go a lot faster than it took us to make it.
One, 2, 3. Brush it into me. And also, don't make this rookie mistake that I made. I did not bring a broom and dustpan. Always bring a broom and dustpan with you. After you finish with your job, you want to make sure that you clean up the place and make sure it looks spotless. That way, you're able to get a review quicker and you're able to either get some type of tip or they're going to keep calling you to do extra job because cleaning up after yourself shows that you're a very good person and you're very professional.